Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an AI video. So in here, I'll guide you through the full process of making an AI video using free or easy tools for script, images, voices, and editing. So first, you can just write the script by using Google Gemini or ChatGPT. You can ask it to write, for example, a 1-minute YouTube script about a story of a cat who wants to be superhero. Now you can just generate the script. Okay, so here is the script like this, and now you can copy the script and finalize it. You can just copy it, or you can also move it into Google Docs. Okay, so here is the concept of image of Captain Flufferton in action. So you can copy your spawn, or you can also just click on share button in here and export it into Google Docs. And now you can just creating the visuals. So actually it's already there, the visuals, or you can also just use nano banana in here. So I'm going to ask cartoon style illustration of a futuristic. So let's use this as the background. Cinematic lighting with 16:9 ratio. So you can just hit on enter and just wait until the visual is there. Okay, so here is the result. Now you can just move to the next steps, generating the AI voice. You can use tools like 11 Labs, Gemini Voice, or free TTS AI. You can just upload the script from here, this one, for narrator part. For example, just copy one of them and just copy a piece it in here, and then you can just hit on play to preview the result. And you can just export the result as MP3. After that, you can just make AI video clips using Piccolabs, Runway, or HeyGen to animate the images into short clips. Import the clips into a video editor like CapCut, Premiere, or DaVinci Resolve to edit it. Import this and sync the narration with the visual, add text overlay, transition, and also background music. After that, you can just export it in 1080p or 4K. And you can just optimize for YouTube or short depending on your project. And that's how you can create a complete AI video from script to editing. The best part, you can do this again and again for any topic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!